Hey everybody, Hugo with Golden View Renovation here, joining you guys live from beautiful Saratoga, California. And today's a beautiful day because I'm very excited to present you guys a multi-phase project that we just completed, consisting of a front and a rear addition, a reconfiguration of the entire home, as well as a conversion of the existing space to a JADU. You guys are going to be hearing today from our homeowners, Srivi and Anita, our senior production manager, Barry, as well as our lead interior designer, Alexandra. Follow me for more. Let's go.
Yeah, we moved in, I want to say 9 years ago, and it was a nice house, but over time, it started falling apart a little, and we wanted to get the remodel done.
Yeah, we would do like one-off remodels, a small thing here, a small thing there, and somehow it would never fit in, and it didn't look new on the whole. And so we're like, okay, we're not going to be wasting any more money. Let's just do it in one shot and be done with it and have a brand new home now. So we got an appointment very quickly, and they were very quick to give their quote, and it was very comprehensive, like from the start to finish, included everything. The price was very budget friendly. We asked them to show us a few homes that they had done because we wanted to see the quality of work that they were doing. So we went and visited a few properties nearby. We really liked the finish of the material, the attention to detail. It was a good value for our money. Hence we said, okay, Golden View it is. Alexandra was just completely friendly, and she worked with our time. She understood our taste, what we would like, and she could predict that we would pick this one over this, another one. Her style is minimalistic and elegant. We wanted a lot of light, very simple finishes, and still look very modern, and she is sleek.
And again, what really helps is Alexandra's rendering of all this, right?
Yes.
So her rendering gives a very good view of what we are planning.
When it comes to design the full house, we start thinking with the architecture, and then we get to the finishes and details. We wanted a crispy, nice look, so cabinets are mostly white with a gold hardware. We also did amazing detail here on the island to kind of wrap up the space. You can see the very modern finish of the countertop, the waterfall. Our team did amazing job with the quartz, incorporates really nice with the pendant lights and hardware. I really love how it came out. So we enter the house, we see this amazing beautiful space with the vaulted ceiling and complete opening to the kitchen and backyard. This space has a dining room and the living room. We wanted to combine them and also bring a lot of natural light. Fireplace is very modern, it's a gas insert, wrapped up in amazing porcelain slab, and I incorporated huge 2 windows on each side to bring up natural light and make the space more welcoming. I thought it will be a masterpiece here in the house.
And the thing I like about Alexandra and all of the Golden View team is they walk through every iteration, every change.
And worked around our busy schedule all the time, so that was very helpful.
It was a pleasure working with our clients over here, which really helped us get to a great finished product. The fact that they were very open to having a more open space. There used to be a leak over here on the pool. There was a couple of cracks in it and the pool was losing a lot of water. While we were doing our project here, the clients asked us if we can go ahead and remodel the pool to do a replaster. We repaired all of the cracks, and then we did a replastering with a PebbleTech. And we also added in to do pavers throughout the backyard, about 2,000 square feet of pavers. This is a porcelain paver, it's very durable. We did new side drainage, and then we touched up a lot of the existing landscaping just to pretty it up. Added a couple additional plants to really refresh the whole backyard as well.
How proactive Barry was. And yeah, communication's never been a problem. They've been accessible all the time through WhatsApp. And as a homeowner, everything's an emergency, right? So, and they've been very responsive. The fact that they kept to the timeline, which is very rare in construction business. I think we designed and redesigned until we got it right. And I think, as you can see, we got it right.
Everybody up the chain were kept in the loop, but they knew exactly what we were talking about, where we had a problem, how to fix it, how to go about doing things.
And I'm really glad they picked EVR.
Yes.
If you guys are interested in a full home remodel and not so sure where to start, reach out. We got you.